Hi everyone, welcome to another video in which we are going to understand how to download Tosca, how to install it, how to request for the training license. So in case that is already configured in your machine, feel free to move to the next video. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing is we have to validate the system requirements. Now the basic system requirements are that you should have at least 8 to 16 GB of RAM and at least 10 to 15 GB of hard disk space available in your machine. Now you can check on Google by searching for system requirements for Tricentis Tosca Commander, and you'll be able to see what kind of processor and all those details because it will depend on what type of version you're planning to download. Okay. Now the second step is to do a portal registration. So Tricentis has a portal on which you have to create a profile, which will give you all the details about their different products, downloads, requesting for trial license and everything. So let's take a look into that. So I'll just open an incognito window because I already have an account with them. So just search for Tricentis support portal. Okay. And this is the link. You click on this. And the first thing we have to do is we have to click on the register button. Okay. What we are going to get on the top right hand side. Okay. So let's see this. Yeah. So this is the button which we have to click. Okay. Now, once you click on this button, you will navigate to this page where you have to fill in your details, first name, last name, and things like that. And the important thing is we have to fill in a business email ID. Okay. Now, once you fill in everything and you click on submit, you will get an email on which you have to click to verify that you are the owner of that email. Okay. Important thing that we need to have a business email. Okay. Now, the next step is once you have created successfully your profile, then you just navigate to the same account support.tricentis.com, support hub.tricentis.com, and you will click on login and just enter your credentials and you'll be able to navigate to this page. Now, this acts as one-stop shop where you'll be able to see all of their different products, knowledge-based articles, download links, and everything. Okay. So let's move to our next step, which is requesting for the trial license. Now, this trial license is for Tosca Commander. Okay. So you have to use this specific link and make sure you're logged in case you're not. Okay. So I'll provide this link in the description as well. So don't worry about that. Now, by default, it is going to be clicked on cloud. So it's a better option. So always click on this cloud. Okay. Make sure if it is not clicked, you click on cloud. And then you have to click on this request cloud training license. Now this is going to be available for either 14 days or 4 weeks or 8 weeks depending on what Tricentis is offering at this point in time when you're trying to request for the cloud training license. And once you have done that, you will see this specific section popped up, okay, the below section. And this is going to say the state as deployed, okay. Uh, it will say as, first of all, it will say as deploying, okay. And once the training license has been successfully registered to your account, it will say as deployed. So the moment the state says as deployed, you are good to get started with that. This may take a couple of minutes or could take 10 minutes or in some minor cases could take a day as well. Okay. Now, once you have procured the training license, the next step is for us to understand from where to download this tool. Okay. Now, requesting training license is important. If even if you have a license, because in some cases, if you go to the download section, you will not be able to see the required download file available. Okay. So either you can click on this downloads, okay, product support Tricentis Tosca and then navigate, or you can click on this download Tricentis Tosca. Anyway is fine. Okay, both are going to navigate to the same page, and here you are going to be able to see a lot of different softwares available. Now our interest is for Tricentis Tosca, so you scroll this, and on the left hand side you try to locate Tricentis Tosca. Okay, let me just highlight this. So Tricentis Tosca here. Okay, the moment you click on this, then only the softwares related to Tricentis Tosca is going to get populated. And again, if you scroll below, you'll be able to see the different versions. Now, all these different versions are based on their different releases which have been uh, made live for people to use it. Recommendation is to use one stable version before the latest release, but depends whichever version you want to download. Okay. Now, the moment you will click on this, let's say I'll go with 2024.2, I'll be able to see the the all the download links here. Okay. Now, here you will have to, in case you want to install Tosca Commander, you have to notice that you have to focus on the product section. Okay. Now the product section should say Tosca. That means that is the Tosca software. Okay. Now in some other versions, you will see server and other things as well. Okay. So don't focus on that. Just locate Tosca. Okay. And it should not say documentation. If I go here, this is the one. Okay. You just click on this and it is going to start the download. Let me click on this and showcase. So you see, if I'll click on this, it is going to start downloading. Okay. Now this is around going to be 1 to 1.5 GB files, which is going to take some time. Okay. Now once it is downloaded, you have to just extract and find the exe file and then double click on that to install Commander. Basic software installation steps, just keep clicking on next and it will get installed. That will probably take around 5 to 10 minutes depending on what the configuration of your system and things like that. Okay. Now let's move to the next step. So we understood how to download and how to install Tosca. Okay. Now the last step is how to create a workspace. Okay. So if you will download Tosca Commander successfully, you search for Tosca Commander here and it is going to be available like this. Okay. So you double click on this and it is going to load the tool on your machine. Okay. This is a little bulky software, so it will take little bit of time. Okay. And in my instance, since I already have a training license, it is going to log in. But in your case, it is going to pop up, which is going to ask email address and password. Now remember, you have to give the exact same email address and password which you have used to create a profile on this portal. Okay, because we have requested the training license from here and that is where your training license is tied to. So this is a license tool. If you have not requested for that, you'll not be able to work with that. Okay. Now this is how, once you fill in the email and password, this is how your page is going to look like. Okay. Now the first and the foremost step is we have to have a workspace available in order to work with this tool. Okay. So you will not see any of these training master as what you're seeing in my machine. You'll just see first steps and advanced examples. All you have to do is you have to click on create new and this is one time activity. Okay. Now if you'll click on create new, you will get select type of repository. Here you will get none and lot of other options. For training purposes, just select the none option. Okay. Give any name for the repository. So let's say I'll say demo. Okay, and make sure you're clicking on this use workspace template. Okay, this is very important. So make sure you're clicking on use workspace template. Okay, if you are not doing that, then you will not get the standard modules which are already available in Tricentis Tosca. There is another way to import that, but it's advisable to click on this checkbox. Okay, now the moment you'll click on OK, it is going to create a workspace for you, and this is going to act as a playground where we are going to create our automation scripts, work with that. So next time, let this get loaded. Let me show you the view of this. So you will see all the different options here. Okay. Now we are going to use this in the further videos to understand what all different sections mean and how to get started with that. But this is how it is going to look like. Now the next time, let me close this workspace. Now the next time when you are going to launch, you don't need to create the workspace. You need to select the one which we have already created. So next time when you launch your Tosca Commander, you will see demo on the left hand side. You just click on that and you will be able to navigate to the same workspace. Okay. Quick overview in terms of you. So you see here now the demo is coming. Okay, so you just click on this and every time whenever you come and you use that as your workspace to work on your automation scripts. Okay. Now in the next video, we are going to understand how to get SAP GUI, how to get the license for that or the trial license for that in order to work with that. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. and do mention in the comment section if you have any other request as well. Thank you very much. Have a great day. I hope this was helpful. Bye bye.